How to check empty RAM slots in your laptop or computer without opening it. Welcome to How to Doer. I'm Gogi from How to Doer. Today we're gonna talk about that how to know is there empty RAM slots in your laptop or computer so that you can upgrade, because many times it happens that we start feeling like that our 4 GB RAM, 2 GB RAM or 8 GB RAM is not enough for us and we want to add more slots. So how we can know that without opening our laptop or computer that we have more slots to add RAM sticks? So how we can know? Like, share, subscribe and hit bell icon for get more videos like this. Now I gonna let you know that how you can know in just seconds. Let's begin the video. First of all, you have to go to your laptop or computer's keyboard and go to Alt, Control and Delete button. And after that, you have to check it out over there. That is a Task Manager option. Click on that. After that, it will open. And from there, you have to click on this Performance. You may see options like this. So click on that. Go to Performance, go to Memory. And this is the details of your RAM. How you can check out slots used. 101, that means you have two slots and both are used. In my scenario, I am using 16 GB two RAM sticks, but in many scenario it happens with us that you can check out this one. It's showing you that your computer has two slots and one is used. In many scenario you will see like this: if you have a 8 GB RAM in one slot, buy another 8 GB RAM and add it to other one. So that's the way you can easily know that how much RAM you have in your space you have in your laptop or computer. So hope you understood that how you can find out the extra RAM slot is available on your laptop or computer or not. Like, share, subscribe and hit bell icon for get more videos like this. Comment down below you like this video or not and you like this trick or not. Bye bye for now.